Have you ever stumbled upon another business's social media feed and thought to yourself, how can they create such visually compelling content for their brand? And you instantly say to yourself that they must be using Photoshop or other expensive design tools? Well, the answer is yes and no. They may be using and they may not. Have you ever heard of Canva before? Let me tell you about it. Canva is an Australian graphics design platform that you can use to create social media graphics, presentations, logos, posters, banners, you name it. Any kind of digital visual content, Canva is there for you to create it with it. It is loaded with easy to use features and functionalities to create engaging, aesthetically pleasing, and professionally designed content that can wow your customers. With Canva, you will have access to thousands of freely customizable templates that you can work on according to your brand. You can reuse them or even share them with your colleagues with just a few clicks. So if you are a student or a professional with nearly zero experience in graphics design and you are interested in building your brand or upscaling it to the next level, then I would like to invite you to my A to Z course of Canva graphics design, where I teach from beginner skills to advanced. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashid, a speech and presentation coach. I've used Canva over the last 3 years to design most of my personal and my clients' brand resources. And by the end of this course, you will learn the following skills in Canva: how to register and log into Canva, the general overview of the Canva platform, how to start a design from scratch, how to start a design from template, how to design logos, posters, how to design social media banners, including LinkedIn profile banners, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook banners, Google Classroom headers, and many more. I've also included how to design resumes, Pinterest pins, how to excellently design your slides and present them in Canva, how to design invoices for your businesses, how to design certificates, how to design virtual background for your Zoom meetings. It doesn't end there. I also shared how to design graphs, how to design business cards, letterheads, calendars in Canva, how to create photo books, create invitation cards, and infographics. I would like to sincerely thank you for stopping by to learn with me, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.